What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be lowering the car and making some adjustments to the spring dampening, because this thing is still, I mean, it rides pretty stiff, but the rebound is really bad. So we're going to tighten them up just a little bit, probably like 3 clicks or something, and see where that gets us. But we are going to lower the front like an inch and the rear probably just a hair, because the rear doesn't really matter. But we're going to lower the front first, wait till we get it back on the ground, and then we're going to make sure that if it sits even, then we'll be alright. Dampening adjustment first on all 4 corners, and we're going to do the actual like physical height adjustment on the front after that. So let's go ahead and just open this hood up. So we went from whatever stock is 5 clicks to the hard side. Bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, all it is this little hex key. They give you 2 of them. And yeah, cool. So that's done on the back, or the front. Got our little adjuster here. We're gonna go lay up underneath this car. So since I went lefty loosey, righty tighty, so we're gonna do the same thing on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that one kind of pulls down. I don't know what that means, but we're gonna go the same thing on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See what happens. Hopefully that stiffens it up quite a bit, because this car, I mean, hitting the bumps is fine, but it just rebounds a little bit too quick, so we want to slow that down. Yeah, that's about it for that. Wow, what a cool video, guys. As you guys can see, there's not a whole lot of adjustment left here. Whoop, get y'all in on the action here. So we're gonna have to use the other one. Got what we need. Let's see here. We're at about, oh man, I don't think we should go an inch. That's a whole inch. Total, we got about 1 1/8 inches. Well, let's go 1/2 inch. Jesus, that's a lot. It's almost 1/2 inch. And that's pretty close. Now we just gotta turn this bad boy the other way. Hopefully y'all can see pretty well. I'm probably gonna fuck up my camber adjustment too. Oh, I think that's all we get. Fuck it, we're just gonna bottom them out then. Ricer life, baby. So, guess we just loosen it and bottom it out. Who knows? Who knows what's happening? This thing's gonna be slammed. For sure. Oops. Wrong way. It's the opposite way over here. No? Dang, this thing's just friggin' on there tight, huh? Oh man, at least we know it's not gonna come off. Oof. Well, just loosen her up. Yep, guess we're just gonna bottom them out. Might not be a good thing. No way. Oops. Hit the GoPro. Oh no. That's a problem. Damn, like I can't even turn this whole freaking body. I mean, the whole thing's just spinning. Well, that's a problem. 1 1/8 inches. There's no way that's maxed out. Nope, she's done. Well, let's see. Maybe I'm stupid. No, that's... 1 1/8 inches. Half, quarter, 3/16. Yeah. From the bottom of that perch right there. Y'all can see it. It's about 1 1/8 inches. 1 3/32. So we're gonna have to consult the other side here to see what the max slammage is gonna be. Because I don't think this side... No, that's way less room. I mean, it could be the same. Let's see what the slammage is. Oh man, yeah, that's... There's a chance that... Yeah, that's 3/4 of an inch. There's a chance that I may just have to readjust these springs. Alright, yeah, so we're definitely going to have to check these springs, preload and all that stuff right now, because there's no way that this is going to be the same, because they're both maxed out on the bottom for ride height, so there's no way that the spring pressure is the same on this car on both sides. So, yeah, we'll be back with you once we figure all that out. Alright, so we figured out that we had the incorrect spring preload, excuse me. So we put them both at, from this perch right here to the actual like body right there. This distance is now inch and a quarter on both sides. So no idea what that's gonna do. So if we need to stiffen it up a little bit, then we can adjust it more. But for now, that's all the adjustments we're gonna make. Is the dampening all 5 clicks, and to the hard side, make them a little bit stiffer. And then the front just got lowered. I don't even know how much, but it's maxed out. Can't wait to see what it looks like. Now we're just gonna be kind of cleaning up just a little bit. And we're going to be putting on this trim piece in the engine compartment right now. So, again, we can't put the wheels back on or do, hell, anything else before Tuesday when we get the brake line. So, I guess once the wheels are, well, I mean, I guess I could put them on the front and everything. But we're going to figure out the center caps, the plastic trim right there. We're going to put a baggie on the air filter. There we go. Get that out of the way. Probably shouldn't touch my... Oh, wow. I might need a... There's so much sand in here now. Dang, man. Got my little water bag on. Now we can proceed to take this thing off. Dang, I really glued that bad boy on there. Yay! So, you can compare that piece to this piece. Yeah, not the same. I don't mind throwing a couple zip ties on that I can just cut. And cutters. Bam. Because what kind of terrorist doesn't cut the ends off a zip tie? Here we go. Clamp this bad boy back down. I think this was actually a little loose. Alright, good to go. Alright, so the problem with the center caps, they do look really good. You know, on these red wheels. Except, there's a problem. they are a little wiggly. So I think we should be able to just tape them a little bit to get rid of just a little bit of that gap. Oh yeah. That looks pretty dope. So we're gonna do all the center caps with 4 wraps of tape. And I think that'll do it. That'll do the trick. I mean, this sure didn't want it to break, huh? Oh, super bubbly wrap here. Guess you could use that as something else if you really wanted to. And then this would be easy enough to pop them out, take the tape off, use them for the new wheels when I get them. Which, I don't know when it'll be. But we need to unpack all our parts, get those listed again. So we can start selling some stuff. I do not know if I ever mentioned this in my videos on YouTube, but probably the best place to get a hold of me other than like Facebook would be Snapchat. Now, I probably don't ever talk about it, and it's not in the description because, you know, it's an app. You can't really use a computer to get on Snapchat. Ooh, so while we do this boring shit, might as well talk to you. So, Snapchat is probably the only place that I ever post a story. We do post updates on Facebook. Usually, finished products are on Facebook and Instagram. So, as far as that goes, I don't really do stories on Instagram and Facebook though. So if y'all want to keep up with the daily grind and shit like that, kind of get sneak peeks of what's going on before the videos come out, get on Snapchat. And you can find the links to those in the little YouTube banner, matter of fact, on the YouTube channel. So, well, these are all done. I think as far as suspension goes and putting a little plastic trim on, we're going to clean up this stuff today. Just wash it in the sink because it's fucking disgusting. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed watching me put together some small stuff just to kind of pass the time. I know it kind of sucks, but, you know, coronavirus and shit. So there's nothing to do. Can't go a whole lot of places. So, I don't know. It is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can catch every last video. And we'll see y'all tomorrow.